Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Taurus Earth sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see your messages, Taurus. Okay, your first card, Seven of Wands. Seven of Swords. Six of Cups. What is going? I think your person may be sneaky with you, Taurus. They're playing mind games. They are manipulative. They may be lied to you, cheated on you. Definitely. For some, that could be third party situation also, because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. Yeah, this person always plays mind games with the other person. And what I'm getting here, definitely you are now defensive mode. You are defending yourself. Yeah. And Six of Cups. I think you are feeling somewhere that this person is your soulmate, and you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. Yeah, but for some it could be third party situation also. I think your person is coming back for reconciliation with you. Be careful if you are in third party and you know already about that. Okay, so your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see some more what's going on. The World, Eight of Wands, Hermit. I think you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, Taurus, or your person could be, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. And I think you are not talking to your person right now. You are isolated from all, and you are spiritual awakening. Or at least you are not talking to your person this time, because you are thinking about them a lot but not talking to your person. I think some same cycles are repeating between you and your person. Same cycles. You are fed up with that energy, and some cycles are going to be end. For some it could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries. Okay. And Eight of Wands. Definitely some communication is coming in your way, and your person want to communicate you, and definitely will receive communication from your person and very soon. But you are not interested to talk to them because you know about them. They are sneaky. So let's see some more. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Virgo. Two cards. Five of Wands, Three of Pentacles. Yeah, there are some fightings between you and your person. I think more than one person fighting for your attention. Definitely. For some, your person fighting for your attention. They are, yes. And the Three of Pentacles, they want to offer partnership with you. They want partnership with you, and they want to offer partnership. They want collaboration with you. In past, there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership between both of you. There is no collaboration at all. But you stand by your power. I think you don't want to give another chance to your person. Yeah, I'm getting. If your person sneaky, you know already about your person. Lot of fire energies here. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy. Let's see some more. Yeah, see, you are heartbroken, Taurus, or your person could be. Four of Swords, definitely no contact. Lot of you, most of you guys. Yeah, you stand by your power. What I already told you, that you stand by your power. Definitely you are working towards your career and goals, and you will achieve this. Definitely. For some, you already achieved this. You are no more dependent on anybody, either on emotionally or financially. Definitely, because you stand by your power. You are single. You are happy being a single. And Four of Swords and Three of Swords. Definitely you are heartbroken, and you stand by your power now. You've overcome this pain. You are not talking to your person, and you don't want to talk. Yeah, because right now you are in this pain. For some, your person right now, this pain, they want to communicate you, but you don't want to talk to this person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And here lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and earth energy. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going. Your person current feelings first. Two of Swords, Seven of Cups, Princess of Pentacles. Communication. I think your person may be at some crossroads right now. They have to make decision. They are in some confusion also to take decision. Princess of Pentacles, definitely communication. They want to send some messages to you. I think for some your person maybe have other options. That's why they are at some crossroads. But whatever, if they coming back or not, definitely you stand by your power. You are no more interested on them because your person is sneaky. They played games with you in past. Yeah. So they are in some confusion. Taurus, your person right now. For some your person may be fantasizing about you a lot, but you will receive some communication from your person. And Princess of Pentacles is here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see their near future actions towards you. Queen of Wands, Nine of Cups, and yeah, Queen of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They are wishing for this connection, but I am not seeing any action cards here. Yeah, they are also taking their time, but they are wishing for this connection. They want reconciliation. I think they are recognizing emotions for you now. Yeah, because right now they are at some crossroads after the separation. After you walked away from this connection, they are now realizing your worth. They are recognizing your their emotions for you. Yeah, because they have strong emotions for you. Queen of Cups and Nine of Cups. Definitely they are wishing for this connection. And for some, definitely if your person not sneaky and there is no third party, definitely there will be reconciliation. They are very, very passionate about your Queen of Wands. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, communication. Eight of Wands, Emperor, okay, the Lovers. Your person could be Gemini also. Two of Wands. Yeah, you are thinking about your person a lot but not taking any action. I think your person also thinking about you a lot, and this could be long distance relationship. The Lovers and the Emperor and Eight of Wands. I think something is changing in this connection, and this change is coming very fastly because Eight of Wands is rapid changes. And communication, definitely your person will communicate you. There will be back and forth communication between both of you. There will be some discussion also will be going, but you will, I think in near future some communication will open up, but right now you are not interested to talk to your person because Four of Swords energy is here. Definitely, but your person waiting for the right time to come towards you. Definitely they will approach by communication, through communication. Yeah, some communication. I think communication is the key here. They want to express their feelings through communication. Yeah, because I am not seeing any action cards here. Definitely they want to express their feelings through communication. Yeah, Emperor. I think Lovers. I think it's you now. You acting like stubborn. You don't want to make any move towards them, Taurus, because in past you did, but now you don't want to do, and you don't want to make any move towards your person. Lovers, definitely for some there is love between both of you. Yeah, I think communication. After communication you both will get clarity. I'm getting what I'm here from this reading. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Taurus. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, Seven of Cups, Page of Wands. Yeah, communication, definitely. One person may be younger than the other person in this connection. Seven of Cups. I think your person may be fantasizing about you a lot, or you may be fantasizing about the person a lot, or you maybe have so many options in your career wise also. And Ace of Swords with Ace of Wands, definitely something you start in your life newly, something new career, whatever, because Nine of Pentacles with two aces, definitely you started something new in your life. And some communication, definitely you will receive some communication from your person, and that communication will be honest this time. So your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. Taurus, Magician, Justice, Knight of Cups, and Three of what cards? Same message again. They want partnership with you. They have strong emotions for you. They want second chance, justice, and they want to manifesting you back. They're trying to manifesting you back. For some, your person is a manipulator, because Magician sometimes refers as a manipulator. If your person really manipulator and you know about your person, please don't give another chance. Of course, end of the day, it's up to you to give second chance or not, depending upon your situation. Okay, so yeah, definitely they want second chance. They communication, you will communicate if you are in no contact in near future, very soon you will receive communication from your person and Taurus. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.